Sa dating world ngayon o sa dating scene ngayon is kailangan mong maging resilient. Yung tipong kahit na-reject ka is lumalaban ka pa din. Because resilience is crucial for navigating life's challenges. And yun yung pag-uusapan natin sa video na to. I'm Jones and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin on what is resilience and bakit mo siya kailangan. So, kapag wala kang resilience, ang mga signs ito is number 1 is madalas ka nag-give up. Madalas ka, kapag nahirapan ka or may dumating na problema or hindi mo lang nakuha yung gusto mo, madalas sumusuko ka na. Number 2 is you avoid challenges dahil nga takot ka na ma-reject. Takot ka na sa problema. Then hindi ka na ayaw mo na ng challenges, ayaw mo na ng problems. You see challenges and problems as something na negative. And number 3 is you feeling overwhelmed because dahil nga yung buhay, babatuhan ka lagi ng maraming rejections and also maraming losing moments. But if you reframe it to something na positive, na something that a room or a window for growth, then doon mag-change yung dynamics mo when it comes to rejection. Doon ka makaka-build ng resilience. So, kapag nag-continue dito yung pag-give up mo easily, yung ayaw mo ng challenges, and also you always think of it as something negative, then you'll struggle with achieving your goals. Because again, people and the world will throw rocks at you. And ikaw, instead of trying to hide yourself from true growth, isipin mo kung paano masasalo yun ng maigi. Yung mga binabato niya sa'yo. Ganyan. And number 2, you will stuck in negative patterns. So, kapag you always don't try to challenge yourself, you always think that problems and challenges are negative, then magkakaroon ka lagi talaga ng negative self-talk. And number 3, you'll miss out a lot about personal growth. Because, you never see challenges as something that you can learn from. Kasi because challenges yung problems, ang goal lang niyan is matuto ka. Ang pinagkaiba ng school sa totoong buhay, isa school is learning muna bago test. Sa totoong buhay, ititest ka muna ng ititest. Hanggat hindi mo nakukuha yung learning, uulit lang ng uulit yung test mo. So that's how life works. So this is important because developing resilience can transform your life and mindset. So as in general, hindi lang sa dating life. So if you have a resilient mindset and a resilient life, is number 1, you'll tackle challenges with confidence. So kumbaga, putya na ko na to nalagpasan ko na tong problema na to. Bakit ito hindi? So, you'll build that mindset of conquering things na, kaya ko to. Ganyan. Number 2 is you'll bounce back from setbacks quickly. Because dahil nga meron kang positive mindset na, kaya ko to, kung ito nga nalagpasan ko, paano pa kaya ito? Magadon. And number 3, you'll build a stronger and confident sense of self. So, with that one, dahil nga, every time na nakakapag-conquer ka ng problems or nakakapag-solve ka ng problems mo, you'll build up that confidence. So, now, I want you to identify on how you challenge life. Kasi with that one, doon natin malalaman on how you are being resilient. So, for every time na magkakaroon ka ng problem, I want you to check yourself if you're hiding from it, or you're open ka for challenges because you're open for learnings. So, yun lang. Let's go.